Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to fix story not showing on Instagram highlights, and now let's dive right in. Now to fix story not showing in Instagram highlights, first open up Instagram app, and from over here guys, in order to know why isn't the story showing on highlights, let's make a story. To do that, at the top left corner of the screen you can see a profile picture icon where it says your story. Tap on that plus icon, and from over here let's make a story of my keyboard. Guys, you can see here's a keyboard picture of my keyboard, and let's make a story of this. So guys, we want that story to be available at the highlight section of the Instagram. So to do that, let's go to the highlight section of our Instagram app and Instagram account, and from over here at the top right corner of the screen you can see the plus button or the plus icon available for us. Tap on that, and let's tap on the story highlight, and you can see guys the story we just posted on Instagram is not available for us over here. So now in order to fix that, let's go back, and from over here in order to fix the problem that why isn't the story not showing on highlights, we'll be required to go back to our story on Instagram. To do that, you can tap on the story and you can tap on your profile picture at the top left corner of the screen, and on your profile picture this kind of interface will appear for a story. And from over here guys, in order to make this story available on the highlight, we'll be required to tap on the more button with the three dotted icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and on this interface you can see the story settings available for us at the bottom of the screen, which is the second last one. Tap on it, and from over here scroll down until you can find the save story to archive. Now in order to proceed, you need to know a thing, that is, in order to make your story available for highlight, it must be archived on the Instagram. So to do that, let's tap on the save story to archive button and make sure the toggle icon is turned blue or on for it. And after that guys, the moment you save the story to archive, that story will be available for highlight on Instagram. That being said, let's go back to the highlight section again, and let's tap on the plus button at the top right corner again. Let's tap on the story highlight, and now currently you can see that story is available for us in order to make a highlight. So let's tap on it and let's tap on next, and from over here rename your highlight of your picture. And after that, after you tap on the done at the top right corner of the screen, you will be able to make this highlight on Instagram, or the story highlight on Instagram. And then guys, this is how to fix story not showing on Instagram highlights. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.